If you're interested to know the new Instagram boomerang effects or just how to create an Instagram boomerang in general in your stories, then this is the video you want to watch. And I have a special gift for you only if you stick until the end. Gift that actually gives me an idea. What if I give you a free copy of my guide on 0 to 10k followers? And it's all in the description down below. Oh, I just think I just gave it to you. Click the link in the description if you want to check it out. Okay, so here's how you do it. First, I gotta find a subject, an object that I want to make a story about. And I've got the perfect victim. Okay, so here's my Instagram right here, and I found my victim. First, you click the stories, you open up the stories, and you find your victim that you use for a boomerang. Okay, and to do a boomerang, you just slide it here, and you have the boomerang option, and you record a boomerang. Curry, right? And now you can see Curry's tail, right? That's so cute. And what you gotta click is this infinity button right here. You click this, and now you have a bunch of effects. First, you can make it shorter or longer. Then you have a slow motion. How cool is that? Then you actually have an echo and a duo. And if you want to be really creative, you can combine them. Something like this. Oh, I actually like this one. Yeah. And then just add it to your stories with something like this. Done. Donezo. Here it is. By the way, here's another thing that I can give you if you stayed so far. So, what is the free gift? Except the link in bio with the 0 to 10k followers guide, which I should charge you something for, but I'm actually giving it for free. Well, I can shout you out on my Instagram stories. If you check my Instagram stories, I keep shouting a few people out every single day. I can also shout you out in one of my next YouTube videos. All you need to do is just comment down below your Instagram account in the YouTube comments and what your Instagram account is about, so people know why they should follow you, right, on Instagram. And we have 2 shout out winners now for this video, and here they are. The first one is Antoine Turugeyer. Sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, but you really tried to get the shout out because you posted twice, so I had to do it. Super Sports Live, so check him out if you're interested in sports. And then we have Louis McDrummer, who says MCK dash drums or slash, yeah, dash, no, lower dash drums. And my page is about music, specifically a musician, drumming. I really like the guy. We chatted a little bit. He also has a YouTube channel. Definitely check him out. Spread some love, help the community out, and remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away, but this is no financial advice, and my god, this is no medical advice. Don't sue me, bro. By the end of this video, check one of these videos out. This one or this one, you gotta check them out. Now. Do it now.